If you're struggling with unpleasant odors or residue in your washer, learning how to clean front load washer gasket can make a world of difference. The gasket, which is the rubber seal around the door, often collects detergent, fabric softener and lint, making it a perfect spot for mildew and grime to build up. But with a few easy steps, you can keep it clean and fresh, ensuring your machine stays in top condition and your laundry smells great. Start by preparing a cleaning solution. The most effective option is a mixture of equal parts water and white vinegar, as vinegar naturally breaks down mildew and neutralizes odors. If you'd like a stronger option, you can add a small amount of baking soda, which will help scrub away any stubborn grime without damaging the gasket. Another alternative is to use a store-bought washer cleaner, but make sure it's safe for rubber and compatible with your specific machine. Now that you know how to clean front-load washer gasket, let's move on to the actual cleaning process. Open the washer door and gently pull back the gasket to reveal any buildup underneath. You may notice dark spots or feel slimy residue, which is completely normal over time. Dampen a clean cloth or sponge with your cleaning solution and wipe around the entire gasket, focusing on any areas with visible mold or grime. For tougher spots, you can use a soft bristled toothbrush, which is excellent for getting into tight crevices. Continue wiping until you've removed as much residue as possible. This is a key part of a how to clean front load washer gasket effectively and thoroughly. After wiping down the gasket, rinse it with a cloth dampened in plain water to remove any lingering cleaning solution. Be sure to dry the gasket thoroughly afterward. Moisture is one of the main reasons mold grows in front-load washer gaskets, so leaving the door open after each wash to air it out is a good habit. Additionally, cleaning the gasket every few weeks will prevent future buildup and keep everything smelling fresh. When you know how to clean front-load washer gasket improperly, you're taking a step that not only prevents mold, but also helps maintain the efficiency of your washer. If odors persist even after cleaning, try running an empty, hot water cycle with just a cup of vinegar or a washing machine cleaner, specifically designed to break down mold and detergent residue. Doing this monthly can prevent gunk from building up in other parts of the washer, extending the life of your appliance. Taking the time to learn how to clean front-load washer gasket keeps your machine in great shape, reduces odor issues, and ensures you're getting the most out of your washer.